nationwide, manufacturing has recovered more quickly and more strongly than other industries in the U.S. economy. We need people that are skilled and trained to make the machinery, to maintain the machinery, and to operate the machinery and equipment. I think that many students don't quite realize that manufacturing that is high-tech also relies upon high skills and thinking ability, not simply turning a wrench.
Students don't know, students in high school, for example, or adults do not know that there's a major need out there still in manufacturing. All that you hear in the news is that manufacturing is going away. But there's a huge need, especially in this area, for continued education and degrees and certification in a variety of industry-related programs, such as electromechanical, industrial-based programs.
Well, I started off in high school. I never imagined that I would be in the manufacturing career, but I had an opportunity at a local manufacturing plant, and I got into there, but it was process instead of maintenance. But I got an idea of what the maintenance did, and then I got interested, so I signed up for the electromechanical program through Northeast State. And then after that, it was just, I decided that's what I wanted to do.
There's so many young people coming in now, and I try to tell them to get their feet wet, get into a craft. You know, I said, even if, you know, well, they say right now, plants aren't guaranteed to last. You know, our parents could work at a plant and retire. But if you get into maintenance and you get a craft or skill, you can carry it anywhere in the world with you.
There are many jobs available in this area. For example, in welding, we have 120 students right now, and most all of them are getting jobs or have opportunities even before they graduate.
There are 200,000 welding jobs available nationwide.
Right out of high school, I'd heard a lot about welding program up here and that they offered it. I knew a couple people that went, but I never really thought about it, and got out and started making money and got around the people that were welding and stuff like that. And learned a few little things from them here and there about it, and just the more I learned in it, the more interested I got. So since I've been coming to the RCAM, it's added like some stability a little bit to my life, pride, and just feeling good about yourself. Feel like you're going somewhere in life instead of just sitting around, you know, working at a dead-end job, doing something that somebody could come right in behind you and learn in 2 or 3 days.
I think it's vital that we as a community, that we as leaders, continue to say to the citizens of our community, particularly to the high school students and junior high school students and elementary school, that we expect that you will continue your education beyond the K through 12. We want you to become lifelong learners. It's not only vital to our economy, but it's vital to you as an individual and being able to provide for your family. So we need to continue to set those expectations at a level that are challenging, but at a level that are certainly reachable.
We are continually looking for ways to engage students. Today it's highly competitive. Technology has been a wonderful tool for us. However, the offering of Xbox and Wii and all the technologies that are out there, it makes our job to engage the students, I'm not going to say more difficult, we have to make that more dynamic. They have to understand that careers in the fields of technology are very exciting careers. Our ability to introduce a student to that kind of environment early in their career and show them math and science in a way that would get them interested. I think if we get students interested, certainly then they will have the passion to move on and learn new things and put those to work for themselves.
We're getting this thing from Lincoln Electric, Lincoln Welders. It's like a virtual reality welding machine, and whenever you put on the welding hood, it's got little lenses in it that you see through and stuff, and it does the sound, and it replicates exactly what you would do if you were welding, and tells you your problem areas, like what you could do, you know, different positionings, put your rod in, go at about at different angles.
What would have happened had there been no RCAM is I can only believe that we would have continued to do what we've always done. And I've heard it said before that you can't continue to do what you've always done and expect different results. So RCAM has been an enabler for us in the industry to think outside the box and to get training for our employees that we never before knew was possible here in the Tri-Cities area. And that's allowed us not only to train on equipment that we know we have now, but on concepts and on futuristic things that we believe are going to be the next generation of manufacturing. And that's going to allow us, again, not only to compete here in the U.S., but on a global scale.